Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can see unsent messages on Messenger. So at first download this app called Notisafe, get on it, and then click on next, next, and then allow. From there go to next, and then in Notisafe you have to just press allow. After that go back and then press on allow. Once it loads, so you want to see Messenger messages, all you have to do is scroll down until you find the Messenger and then turn it on. And then once you do, go back. Now suppose I'm going to show you guys a live tutorial. So using my other device, I'm sending a text. So when I go to Messenger, it says unsent a message, but then when I go to Notisafe, you see on the left side on the message, when I click on it, it says hey what's up and received from crabcags, and that is exactly how you can see unsent messages on Messenger. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.